Difficult to come by when you're on a budget. And no, you can't put your gear on layaway. I don't think Rockford Fosgate does payment plans, and neither do we. Fortunately, Audiopipe TXX-BD1 Subwoofers are under $100 and provide you all the bass you need or can afford to power. Plus, if their subwoofers are even just slightly better than their website, you'll be very content with your purchase. TXX-BD1 subs are dual voice coil, 4 ohm woofers, so your options for wiring to a monoblock amplifier include a 2 ohm load with parallel wiring or an 8 ohm load with series wiring. If you need help figuring out your wiring situation or how to match subwoofers and amplifiers, check out our Subwoofer Wiring Wizard page, link in the bio. For the most power on a budget, I recommend pairing 2 of these woofers with a 1 ohm stable monoblock amplifier, because 2 dual voice coil 4 ohm subwoofers make a 1 ohm load when wired in parallel, and that's how you get the max power. Audiopipe makes these subs in 3 sizes, 10 inches, 12 inches, and 15 inches. The 10 inch has an RMS of 400 watts, the 12 inch has an RMS of 600 watts, and the 15 inch has an RMS of 800 watts. Get 2 of the 10 inch subs and you'll really be making some noise. For wiring to an amplifier, the TXX-BD1 Subwoofers feature 8 gauge screw terminals, so you'll have no problem fitting 10 or 12 gauge wire in there. They feature 60 ounce dual stacked magnet design for extreme excursion. To get the max output in an enclosure, Audiopipe recommends 1 cubic foot sealed and 1.25 cubic feet ported for the 10 inch, 1.75 cubic feet sealed and 2 cubic feet ported for the 12 inch, and 2.25 cubic feet sealed and 2.50 cubic feet ported for the 15 inch. That's it on the Audiopipe TXX-BD1 Subwoofers. Be sure to get your car audio and video gear with us at qualitymobilevideo.com. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and click that like button, but if you hated it, click the dislike button. Join the conversation below and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.